Good morning, everyone. Today, my daughter Priscilla is going to be making her very favorite breakfast dish, which is French toast. So to get started, here are the ingredients that she will use in order to make her French toast. I will also include these ingredients in the description box below. Okay, Priscilla, let's get started.
Okay.
So to this bowl, we have 3 eggs already beaten up. And to this bowl, Priscilla is going to add 1 cup of almond milk. Carefully. Good. Okay, I'll take that. Okay, so next she's going to add the dash of salt. Just like a pinch of salt. Okay, and to that she's going to add 1 tablespoon of sugar.
Wait,
1 tablespoon of sugar, so grab your bowl.
wait.
Grab your bowl.
And then I'm going to
Pour it in there. Okay, and next she's going to take the ground cinnamon. We love a lot of cinnamon, so just sprinkle some in there. Okay, very good. Okay, now mix it up. Keep mixing. Okay, into our pan, we're going to add some cooking spray, some non-stick cooking spray, and some avocado oil. So I'm going to go ahead and spray the pan with the oil. Oh, and we also have, of course, bread. This is potato bread I'm using. I love to use like restaurant-style French toast bread, but I was unable to find it at the store. So we're going to use this one, which works just as fine. Okay, so now to my pan, I'm going to add some avocado oil. Mix this around. Okay, Priscilla, you're going to start saturating the bread in the batter. So take your first piece, put it in the batter, coat both sides, flip it over. Okay, it's ready. So let's put it in the pan. Put it in the pan. Okay, good. Okay, do the next one. Same thing with the next one. Flip it around. Good, and just try not to drop it. So try to drop it closer to the pan so it doesn't splatter. Okay, put it in the pan. Good, Priscilla. Okay, and our last piece.
Wait, it's like.
Okay, so let's do our last piece. Flip it around. Coat both sides. Okay, put it in the pan. Make sure you have space for it. Good, Zilla. Okay, so here we go. So it's going to be about 2 minutes on each side, and this is our end result. So it's very delicious. I actually learned how to make. Yeah, it looks like a circle. I actually learned how to make this. This was my first dish when I was about 7, and now my daughter, who's 8, she's about to be 9. She's learned to make it. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel. Have a great day. Bye.